So to get started, I'm just going to start by putting up my hair into a bun. Like always, can't have hair all up in your face. And I'm a bit extra, so I go in with just a headband just to keep all my baby hairs out of the way for when I'm using my spin brush. So I basically just start by washing my face with the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. Everybody knows I love me some tea tree. Like, tea tree is like the best thing ever. And so I use that as a facial wash in the nighttime. It's specifically good for blemish skin, anyone who has acne or is prone to acne. Tea tree oil is honestly key for your skincare routine. Then what I actually do is I just let it soak into my skin. I wait a few minutes until I see that the sudding has kind of gone away and it appears as if nothing's on my skin. That way I just know the product is getting into my skin and it's actually working. Then I just go in with a really warm or hot towel or rag, whatever you want to call it, to wash off the cleanser, and it helps to open up my pores as well to prepare for all the other good stuff I'm going to be putting into my skin to help repair throughout the night. I'm going to go in with my newly added addition to my routine. It's the Dark Spot Toner by 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀. This is specifically going to get rid of my acne scars, and so far it has been doing an amazing job. I highly recommend this product to you guys. It faded my scars a lot to ones that wouldn't go away, so I'm really impressed with this. I started using this about a month ago, and honestly I saw results literally almost right away. About a week in, all my scars were fading and it just did wonders for my face. And any of you guys who think you have stubborn dark spots that won't go away, specifically for me it was from popping pimples, which I'm trying to learn my lesson, but trust me, you will see a difference for sure. The ingredient that helps do this is actually glycolic acid, which you should research, but it was recommended to me by my facial lady and it was in this product. Tried it out and it's awesome. Okay, so now I'm going in with one of my favorite nighttime oils. It's actually by the company Standard 79. The reason I like using this as a nighttime moisturizer is because it has so much beneficial properties, and nighttime is more like a repair time. This oil is plant-based and all natural, and it only contains 4 main ingredients. It has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and fungal properties, and it has a natural herbal aroma that calms the mind, emotions, anxiety, and any stressful thoughts. What I love about this oil is that it doesn't clog pores, so I don't have to worry about getting any breakouts or any pimples from using this oil. It helps to brighten hyperpigmentation, dark circles, dark spots, and it helps with collagen production and cell renewal, which helps fade scars. It helps balance out combination skin, which is exactly what I have, so if you have some dry areas and some oily areas, this will be perfect for you. And is a great moisturizer. It's easily absorbed into the skin. It makes my skin so soft and so supple, it literally feels like I just came from the spa at a facial. And not only does my skin feel moisturized that same night, but the next day it also still feels so soft and so moisturized. And I just think it's really good as a way to replenish your skin and get it ready for the next day. I also love taking care of my lips, making sure that they are free of all the dead skin, especially in the wintertime. And I just love having a fresh, soft lip for when I'm going to bed. I don't know why, don't ask. The lip scrub that I am showing in this video is actually all handmade and contains all natural ingredients. So I just scrub that on my lips, and once I'm done I apply a warm towel just to take it all off and rub the towel in my lips a little bit more, and then that's it. My lips are now nice and soft and ready for moisturizer. I got this moisturizer from Bath & Body Works. It is the same one that I used in my morning skincare routine again, which is the 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝗀𝘂𝗀𝗀 Rose Salve Lip Balm. This is literally the same one I use in the nighttime, in the daytime, and in the morning. It's literally my favorite one. Now that my face is all done, I gotta get my hair done. Every curly girl should know that you shouldn't sleep without a satin bonnet of some sort or a satin pillowcase. And so today I'm gonna be putting on my little hair wrap to protect my hair while sleeping. And so once I'm done admiring my curls and getting ready to put them away, I basically just put my hair up in a pineapple, or you could put it in a bun, and then I just wrap the head wrap around and tie it in a knot.
Gucci gang, ooh. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
And ta-da, your girl is done and ready for bed.